Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening a new canvas and placing your reference. This anchors proportions. Once placed, lower the reference opacity to 30–50% so it guides without overpowering. Create a new layer above and lock the background. Use the G pen or pencil at 1, 0, 3, 0 for a loose, rough sketch. As you draw, zoom and rotate the canvas to keep strokes comfortable. This first pass establishes composition and major forms before committing to cleaner lines. Once your rough is readable, make a clean linear layer and enable stabilizer at 510 to steady your hand. Trace with a hard pen at consistent pressure, then create a base color layer beneath the lines and fill with the bucket. Set expand to 12px to avoid gaps. Make clipping groups for shading and highlights so color stays contained. Use soft airbrushes for gradual shadows and the select tool to isolate areas for quick, clean blending and color shifts. To finish, add shadow layers set to multiply and paint with 30–60% opacity, then use overlay or add glow for lights. This builds depth naturally. Once done, tidy edges with a soft eraser and apply subtle Gaussian blur or gradient maps for mood. Make a PSD backup preserving layers, then export a flattened PNG for sharing. If something goes wrong, re-enable hidden layers or undo stack, and use the select/fill trick to fix color leaks quickly before re-exporting.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.